Say Taylor. Looky there. Oh, see that picture on the wall. Let's see that picture on the wall.
You gonna give your grand some sugars?
You got sugar. Give me sugar. That was good sugar. That was good sugar.
Say, tell me secrets, Gwen.
We're just going to keep our secrets all to ourselves. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to keep our secrets all to ourselves. We're not going to tell nobody. No.
What are you doing, baby?
Oh, that's a checker. It's her taking a picture. It's her taking a picture, huh? Who's taking a picture? Who's getting so big? Who's getting so big? Yeah, she can't figure out Granny's old blouse. We just can't figure it out. Just can't figure it out. That all there is to it. Yeah.
You gonna laugh at your grand?
She's not even looking at me. She's looking at my shirt. You could tell Granny some secrets, huh? You could tell Granny some good secrets. Yes, there was. You could tell Granny some good secrets. That water was. That's a good one, Mama, if you can get it. That's a good one, Mama. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.